When I saw my offer letter, it was a cloud my moment for me. Hi, this is Vagdevi and currently working as a Zoho Developer Intern at EVA Software Solutions, and this has been my first real experience working in a professional environment. And getting this internship was a big milestone for me, and achieved it by consistent learning and focusing on practical skills. And instead of just understanding concepts, I explored tools, built small projects, and understand how technology solves these business problems. That mindset helped me earn this opportunity. When I started my internship, everything felt new and a bit overwhelming. I had to understand business requirements, work with live data, and build solutions that actually impact real process. So during my internship, I worked with Zoho CRM and Zoho Books, and my responsibility included customizing modules, working with PDF templates, and writing Deluge scripts and automating workflows. So in the beginning, even small tasks took a lot of time. So there were moments when I felt stuck and didn't know how to move forward. But instead of giving up, I started breaking problems into smaller steps, experimenting with different approaches and learning from my experience and learning from my mistakes also. So gradually I became more confident and started handling independently. Through this journey, I developed strong problem solving skills and learned how to approach real world challenges in a structured way. So along with technical skills, I improved my patience, adaptability, and ability to continuously learning. So my interest in technology actually started during my college days. What began as a curiosity about how websites work, and over this time I wanted to go beyond just coding and understand how technology is used in real world businesses. So that's when I explored the Zoho ecosystem, and which focuses on solving real business problems. So this internship taught me that real learning comes from working on actual projects. It's not just about writing code, but about creating solutions that make process more efficient. So most importantly, I learned that even if something feels difficult at first, with consistency and right mindset, it becomes achievable.